Deluxe Ocean View room looks like. It's $12.91. All right, so you can see that we have our setup to be twin beds, and it comes with a long sofa. They take the pillows off of this and convert this into another twin bed if you have 3 people. This one does not have another bed up top, so it only can sleep 3 people. And one quick tip when getting the sofa bed, I recommend 3 or 4 pillow tops to make it extra cushion. They do flip this over to a mattress. You get one little table. At the moment, there are no extra plugs on the side. And each person has a little table. And there's an outlet above the bed to turn off the main lights. And this is what our window looks like. We're on deck 1. The mirror and closets. So we have a mini fridge to put some of our waters in there. One tip I can recommend is to help it get cooler, we like to leave a bit of a gap here. If you want a bigger gap, we put a hand towel in between there and bring some Clorox wipes because the nozzles can get dirty. You have a little stool. They do have a vent here, so hopefully it does get cooler. Your fun times, a phone. We have our water straw room, the safe, some more shelving and storage. There's the hair dryer. This one is not soft close. And one of the closets. One cool thing about the closets are it comes with a full-length mirror on the inside. And you can actually lift it up. You just rotate this thing up. And there you go. You get some more space without the shelf in the way. And you can bring it back down. There you go. And then here's another one of those closets. It has hangers. If you ever need more hangers, you can always ask the room steward and they'll bring some extras for you. Gosh, there's a lot of closets. This is the extra door, same hangers. We like to put our shoes on the inside there. And this is an extra one. Because normally there's 3 closets, so because it's a deluxe room, it's a little bit longer, which would kind of be like the balcony, but inside your room area. All right, and this is the very special thing is you can get 2 bathrooms. So this first one is gonna look like a standard bathroom. You get the sink, some storage space, the towels, your toilet, a stand-up shower. Very cool here is the shower is height adjustable. You can pull it up and down. You can change the water pressure. It comes with shampoo and shower gel. And there's a clothing line hook that you drag across to the other side. Also, they have one of those close-up mirrors. You get the plug if you have an electric toothbrush or a razor up there. Your storage space, towels, the trash can, and more storage. Now let's take a look at the other bathroom. In between the 2 rooms, there is actually the air conditioning control. So here you control it for as cool as you like or warm, and you can feel it coming out right here at the top. All right, and right next door is our second bathroom. One nifty thing is the lights are on the outside, which can be fun for families, but be careful with kids. Sometimes they can turn the lights out on you. So on the door, you have some hooks, and you can see it has a little tub. Look how cute it is. It's just enough foot space to dry off. You got just a sink in here with some of the storage shelves. And you have the extra plug up there. This is not a fan, but it will take out the hot air over time. So you still get a shower curtain, and it has the same type of shower that comes up and down with the shower hook for your the clothing line right over here. So look at that, it's really a nice cute little thing. Those are controls that you can make it hotter, or the pressure and the height. We'll add more towels in here. I think we're going to use this one more as the shower bathroom. Leaving the two bathrooms, I'm going to show you a little bit of this desk area. It is small, but there are only 2 standard plugs and then 1 European. This is just the lamp light. If you have like a European outlet, you can convert that. We have noticed a little bit of dust. It's dirty, dusty, but overall it is a clean room. And look, some stationery. Laundry bags, if you're here for a longer time, is very helpful to have these. And that's a good look of the room. If you didn't have twin beds, you can have them put them together as a king bed. So there's a lot of different options in here. And this is a really cool first time for us to be in the Deluxe Ocean View room. All right, thank you so much for watching Drea's Travels. Please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know, what kind of room do you like to stay in when you're on a Carnival cruise or any cruise? All right, ciao for now.